everyone. We're back. I'm Mike.
I'm Stephanie.
And today we're going to talk about being grateful. Okay? And which leads me to this wonderful, beautiful, what do you call this?
This beautiful frame.
Frame, okay? That Stephanie found. I'll let her talk about
Well,
it.
yes, I was like thinking of a frame, just like this frame right here, right? I was like thinking of a frame that has like some messages with grateful, thankful and blessful, something like that. And then I went to the store and then I found a frame, exactly what I wanted to get, right? So I was like telling him, okay, we want to get to the store, and I was like, all right, this is the frame.
That's it.
That we want, and that's it, So we got the frame. So it's perfect frame that says thankful, grateful, and blessed on here, and we put it right in front of our front entrance, so that it can remind us of being grateful.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Being grateful every day. It doesn't matter for being grateful for little things or a lot of things. It doesn't matter. But still being grateful for everything that you have, right?
Yep. Every single thing. Like I said, I wake up and first thing before I open my eyes is thank you, thank you, thank you, God.
Just say thank you every day when you wake up. Thank you every single day.
Yeah, which leads me, that's the energy, right?
The energy that you put out, okay, that you're grateful and you're thankful.
Yes.
Just little things,
everything.
Still,
right?
Everything counts.
So that's why this sign is so important. This frame is so important.
This frame reminds us to be, thankful for everything.
We see it every day, right? So it gets into our subconscious mind. It gets into our energy, right? We see it every day, okay? So we're used to it. It's our part of our. It's like breathing. It's part of us.
Part of our daily, daily routine.
It's daily life. So we're thankful.
So make sure you get a habit of that. Have a daily routine. It's very important, right?
It's a daily routine, just like brushing your teeth.
Right.
It's normal.
Brushing your teeth every day. Yeah. So say thank you every day. Grateful every day. Same concept, same idea.
Yeah, and feel it and love it, and everywhere
feel
you go.
Feel it and love it, and you will get even more. To you.
Oh, and check this
out.
Law
of attraction, right? That's related to the law of attraction too.
Yeah, it is law of attraction.
And it is law of attraction when you really think about it, right?
Yeah. So check this out. Yeah. This is real too. So when you're thankful and grateful and you know that you're blessed, you feel it so good. Believe me, everywhere you go, you will see nice people.
Yes.
To me, my experience, I told her, how come everywhere I go, I taste food? It tastes so good, right? And I said, wow, even though she's a great chef. I mean, she's, I love her cooking, and then even I go out to eat at restaurants. I go, everywhere I go, why, these food tastes so good.
Right.
Everywhere, right? It's your energy, right? When your energy is high.
Just have a positive energy, positive mind.
Yes. And it's like, you just get that, you attract that, or that's what you put out, you get it, right?
Whatever you put out, you get that energy back.
Yes, and that's why I'm so grateful, I'm so blessed. Oh my gosh, everywhere I go, it's like, why is it the food tastes so good? I thank you, God, every day. Oh, another thing. We're going to do another video, next video, we're going to do another video about sleeping, okay? For those of you who can't sleep right, who has a problem sleeping, we have something for you, right? So we're going to do another video like that. But for ourselves, oh my gosh, we sleep like a baby, okay? Yes. Every night before I go to sleep, thank you, God. Thank you for this day.
Thank you for giving us a good night's sleep.
Yes.
Right? Yes.
And we sleep like a baby.
Say you don't have to say it out loud. You can just say it inside, thinking out loud to yourself. You don't have to say it out where everybody can hear you, right? That's how it works.
It's right here in your heart.
In your heart. That's all it's about. Everything in your heart.
Yes, and remember,
that
everything
counts.
Yep,
yes.
Everything's in your heart, right?
And make sure you feel it. If you feel it, then you know that's working.
Yeah.
Right.
And the reason why we talked about it, we wanted to make these videos because you know whatever we know we like to share with others, and
Right.
you know if others can learn what we've learned, oh wow, it's gonna be a beautiful world, right?
Yeah.
And I want everybody to live good and sleep good and eat good and you know everything good.
Definitely, yes.
Right?
Everybody deserves a good life. Right?
Everybody, right? So with that said, just remember, be grateful
Yes.
for everyone, everything, right, in your life. Okay? So with that being said, here's another reminder again. Before we leave, okay, is to enjoy
Enjoy life.
life. Right? Peace out.
Ciao.